Are you looking for the best wireless LED lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wireless LED lights that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Coolife Submersible LED Light. We will begin the list with this submersible LED light that gives the user's color-changing ability at a very nominal price. It is a fantastic light that you can even use in fish tanks and aquariums without any worry. This cordless and battery-powered model is made for those who admire beautiful colors. It is a super bright set of LEDs working on 3 AAA batteries that need to be shipped separately. With a controlling range of 25 to 30 feet, this unit is exceptional in all ways for users to enjoy perfect illumination. At number 4, Anbo Wireless LED Light. If you need to illuminate the areas like cabinets, there is no better option than this wireless LED unit. It is one of the best wireless LED lights that can be perfectly installed in cupboards, the kitchen, workstations, etc. with ease. The thing that makes it unique from the others is batteries in both of its lights that increase the backup. Apart from that, you don't need anything more than few minutes to complete the installation process. Overall, it is convenient to use a model delivered with a solid remote control system. At number 3, Solmore Puck LED Lights. It is a pack of 9 lights delivered with 3 remote controls to ensure you can illuminate the complete area. This excellent product from the Solmore company can bring both decoration and safety to your place. Changing the colors is pretty easy just by pressing a button on the remote control. Additionally, the company sells this unit with a 30-day money-back guarantee and 12 months warranty that protects against any manufacturer's defect. At number 2, Amir Motion Sensor Lights. This cordless and battery-operated model is an excellent LED light that illuminates the area quite excitedly. The availability of these Amir motion sensor lights will let you light every corner of your home quite easily. There are integrated motion detectors installed in the unit that ensure the light switches on automatically. It is one of the best wireless LED lights that only not installed very quickly and sold at quite an affordable price. The buyers can shop this unit in 2 different colors as per the decor of their room. At number 1, Mr. Beams MB980 Wireless Light. This model from the Mr. Beams brand is a powerful and efficient wireless LED light that perfectly fits the ceiling. It is a lightweight unit that one can easily mount using the tape and screws with minimum effort. These ultra-bright lights can provide a wonderful illumination of up to 100 lumens that are great for sure. It is super easy to install that doesn't demand any electrical work at all. One can simply set these LED lights using the mounting hardware with ease with this unit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.